yeah? Lebanese and affair, yeah?
السلام عليكم مرحبا. وعليكم السلام مرحبا.
عاشرة عامرة كنت للرجال ونفرة كويتي ماما فريجة
الطيبانة مايو الطيبانة مايو يسكي أريانا مايو
Thank you to our officers for arranging this. During the 70s, when I was very young, I was a teenager in the 80s.
You're seeing so much about this amazing new service. And if you want the information,
Executive of Tower Hamlets Council to come and say a few words.
Executive of one of the most important and well-established local authorities in the country.
Put into struggle.
KM Abu Tahir Chaudhry Bhai and various other community.
Joyful day, and we've heard from a number of speakers, and you'll be hearing soon from the executive.
Worldview, how you understand things, how you interpret things.
Say a few words, as it believes my experience can inspire other parents of our generation.
Language services today. An incredible programme of language course.
researcher. She's been working in Tower Hamlets since 1998. A postdoctoral researcher. So, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Becky Winstanley.
It's still an incredible achievement. It's a very philosophical term, but what they mean with their relatives, it gives them experts, teachers, children, young people all know the importance. Children, teenagers, youth, young adults. I'm incredibly proud. Let's hear some noise from the children, from the pupils.
তার মধ্যে বাংলা আছে, আরবি আছে, চাইনিজ আছে, আর সোমালিয়ান আছে। চাইনিজ আমি খুবই হ্যাপি যে আজকে আমরা ফার্সি আমরা কান্ট্রি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা আমরা লঞ্চ করতাম।